Hey guys, how are you? I just want to start this vlog by saying happy Mother's Day to all the Mother's Day. You guys are queen, you guys are bosses, you guys do all the damn thing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I look a little bit different today. That's because I decided to try something new with my hair, and I actually really like it, and I think that I will be trying this hairstyle more often because I just love the way I look, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so today, because it's Mother's Day, I wanted to do something a little bit fun. I wanted to do a cooking show. No, I'm just joking. I just wanted to like cook one of a famous like African dessert, which is puff puff or beignet if you would like. So I'm gonna do beignet. I never done beignet before, so this is my first time doing beignets, so bear with me. My sister is actually gonna film me. I don't know if she wants to be in the video right now, but she's actually just behind. I'm gonna show her. Do you want to be okay? So that's my sister. Well, you can't really see her that great, but yeah, she's gonna be filming me. So I got all like my ingredients here. So I got my flour, I got my sugar, I got my salt, I got my yeast and my vanilla, which is here. Also, I will be needing water. The water, I will be needing actually hot water, and the water is already ready. So let's get into this video, you know what I'm saying? So bear in mind, this is my first time doing it, so I'm gonna start with the flour. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of flour.
How much?
1 cup. Sorry, 1 cup. Add a little bit more. Okay, let's say this. This is 1 cup, right?
Yeah. Did you even read the thing?
Which thing?
The cup you picked up. It
Yeah,
says it on it.
No,
Okay.
but I just wanted to make sure you know the
girl.
Wow, you're so shady. Actually, it's 2 cups that you have to put of flour. I'm so sorry, guys. I like watched a YouTube video about like how to make puff puff because I was craving some puff puff, and like all my friends are eating some, so I was like, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna put 2 cups. So this is 2. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of sugar.
1 cup?
Yeah, 1 cup of sugar.
Damn, you dark.
I'm dark?
It's probably because of the background.
Sorry if the light like goes on and off, guys. Like, I'm using natural light. Okay, so this is 1. Well, I'm gonna add a little bit more. So this is the 1 cup of sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. Where's my teaspoon? Damn, it's even dark for me to see. Damn.
Yo, you good?
This is 1.
Wow.
Sorry, I put
You
it.
gonna put it on the counter?
So this is 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. A little bit more can go in. The vanilla is really gonna give it the flavor. So this is the vanilla. Now I need to put 1 cup of yeast.
Oh, focus. Okay, go.
I was like, I'm focused. I'm just joking. I'm just gonna like rinse it with a paper towel because you know what? I just put something wet in it. Okay. I put some like everywhere on the counter, but you know what? You only live once. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's normal.
So this is 1 tablespoon. Yeah, I made like the biggest mess, but you know what? Here you go. So 1 water. So yeah. So now all you have to do, you gotta stir. You gotta stir it like really well.
Yeah, that water didn't look like it's enough.
Yeah. I feel like I need to put more water in. I'm gonna add a little bit more water because I don't feel like it's watery enough.
It's not supposed to be watery though.
But it's supposed to be a little bit more, you know. So I'm just adding half a cup.
Yeah, that looks like more than half, but put a little bit at a time.
Yeah. But yeah, the first part, like now it's supposed to be watery. Because the video that I watched, the girls like...
Or maybe you put too much
yeast?
No. Flour. Maybe it was 1 cup.
No, it was 2. Oh look, girl. I looked.
Yeah, you can add a little more. It's better now though.
I'm just gonna add all, actually maybe not all, but okay. So guys, like this is good. Like if this is your consistency, it's good. So now you need to let it rest. So I'm gonna let it rest for like 3 to 4 hours, maybe 2, you know. It just needs to go down a little bit, and it needs to cool down a little bit. So I'm gonna, sorry, I'm just obsessed with stirring it. Okay. So I'm gonna put this type of paper.
It's wrapped.
Plastic wrap or paper. Well, wrap. Ooh. That tastes hella good. So I'm gonna wrap them in this. Then, like I told you, I'm gonna let it yeah, so I'm gonna let it like cool down for about 4 hours, honestly maybe 3, because I don't want to do them too late and then like nobody eats them because it's too late.
Yeah, because it's already 7.
Yeah, so maybe 3 hours. I'm
or
gonna
like
put
2.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the fridge to make it cool down faster, and then we'll be back in 2 hours. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's been 4 hours, so finally I left it for 4 hours. So let's give this a try. I'm just gonna wet my hands. I'm gonna take a small part like that. I think you gotta like mold it. Damn, I'm really scared, guys. I hope it's gonna be good. And then I'm just gonna drop it. Ooh.
Tu veux que je te dise, ça chauffe vite.
Just saying, I never done that, so please don't come at me in the description box. Yo, this is harder than I thought. Damn. Let me wet my hands a little bit more. It's not going that fast. Yo, so far it looks so good. What do you think, camera girl?
So far, it's not bad.
I'm just gonna let it get a little bit more brown. I'm gonna try to take like some bigger.
Yeah, because I was gonna say. Yeah. I'm trying to feed pigeons. Two little munchkins. Check the inside.
They're going in the trash.
The final product.
Nobody needs it.
So shall we call Nick
Yeah.
to all do a taste test together?
Guys, comment down below what you think. You know what I'm saying? Hey
She got the
guys.
puffs.
I got the puff.
The brother's here.
This is my brother. Say hi to the camera.
What's up? You already know who it is. I'm the case. You already know what's happening.
They don't, but whatever.
Okay.
So I'll let you guys have the honors.
Are they hot? Let me take a smaller one.
Did you take a whole or just a
Okay,
little?
Nick, you ready? I thought you were
Actually,
tasting at the same time.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste it this one. I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, they're actually a bit hot.
2, 3, go.
Ooh, it's hot. It could be a little bit more.
They're okay,
Yeah,
taste wise. They're not like.
they're not the best, to be honest, but I try.
They need to be more sweet.
But for your
Yeah,
first time,
I feel like they, and I put like a lot of sugar and a lot of vanilla. But
I don't know, they taste different. I don't know.
Yeah,
There's something missing.
yeah.
And mine, I feel like it's still like.
It's still like a bit uncooked inside. I'm gonna go get some to my mom. I don't know how she's gonna react.
If she's the expert, let's see what the expert says.
I think she's on the phone though. I don't give a fuck. Mom, can you taste my puffs?
Dis qu'est-ce que tu penses?
Oh, why? My mom said it was good, but it can be improved, to be honest. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all you moms had an amazing Mother's Day. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on to my next video. So bye.